Right now, we're going to take a live look at El Paso, Texas, as President Donald Trump is turning to the U.S. military to carry out his agenda at the U.S.-Mexico border in a new directive authorizing troops to take control of a portion of federal land.
National correspondent Atra El-Nashar has the details from Washington.
In what's expected to be the broadest use of active duty troops at the U.S. southern border to date, President Trump issuing a directive that would have them play a leading role in detaining migrants. The president instructing his cabinet to give the Department of Defense jurisdiction over a stretch of federal land called the Roosevelt Reservation that spans across California, Arizona, and New Mexico. It's the latest way the Trump administration is leaning on the military to crack down on illegal crossings.
We'll keep them there until that border is completely secure, and we see all-time record lows of encounters.
What's new about this order is, by giving the military control of this land at the border, migrants could be detained by U.S. troops for trespassing on military property. In his new directive, President Trump says the complexity of the current situation requires that our military take a more direct role in securing our southern border than in the recent past. He also just said this on Air Force One.
We now have the best border we've had ever.
Like the bulk of President Trump's executive actions on immigration, this will likely face legal challenges.
It's longstanding law that you can't use the military for domestic enforcement. It's a violation of the Constitution. I'm hopeful the Supreme Court would 9-0 rule that way.
The president's critics have also accused him of politicizing the military. There's no indication the administration sees this as a temporary stopgap or a short-term fix. President Trump says at any time the Secretary of Defense may extend activities under this memorandum to additional federal lands along the southern border. In Washington, I'm Atra El-Nashar reporting.